How to slice a photo in Canva. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create, Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. If you don't have the slice effect, follow this easy step. Tap on the plus sign icon and from there search for line or a rectangle. Now you can choose any one from here. I'll be choosing this rectangle. Now if you have rectangle or a line, make sure to adjust its shape, size and length. Here as you can see, I'm pulling it to adjust it as well. Now increase the size by pulling the dot at the end of the shape as you can see right here. Now once it is adjusted according to your preference, go ahead and adjust the placing of it. Then tap on the color. Now scroll down and tap on photo color and match it with the background of the color that is white, and it can be anything in yours. Just match it with the background of the photo. Now you can place it wherever you want. You can copy the same thing by tapping on the plus sign icon at the top of the shape as you can see right there. Now you just adjust the shape according to your preference. Now once you're happy with it, go ahead and tap on the save option. Now let me show you the end product right here. This is how it looks for my photograph, and you can go ahead and try it with your own. And this is a wrap for how to slice a photo in Canva. Thank you so much for watching.